In our final chapter, we witness the ultimate transformation of London, from a city of timber and ashes to a global capital of stone and glass. It began in the small hours of September 2nd, 1666, at a bakery on Pudding Lane, a fire that would raise 4/5 of the city. Rising 202 feet high, the monument stands as a permanent reminder of that disaster, its height the exact distance to the bakery where it all began. From the ruins, Sir Christopher Wren envisioned a new city. The Rebuilding Act of 1667 mandated stone and brick, changing London's texture forever. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content. The jewel of Wren's vision was St. Paul's Cathedral. Rebuilt over 35 years, its dome became the defining silhouette of the London skyline. Inside, the cathedral's scale and light symbolized a city reborn, a masterpiece of English Baroque architecture that stood as a beacon of hope. As trade flourished, the Royal Exchange became the heartbeat of global commerce, rebuilt in stone to represent the city's enduring wealth. Once a bustling trading floor, it laid the foundation for London's status as a premier financial center of the modern world. In the 19th century, London expanded toward the river. The Docklands became the industrial lung of the British Empire. From tea to spices, the world's goods flowed through these secure enclaves, driving a period of unprecedented global expansion. But the cycle of destruction returned during the Blitz of World War II, devastating the docks and once again testing the city's resolve. The post-war era brought a shift toward modernism. The skyline began to change from church spires to towers of glass and steel. Iconic structures like the Lloyd's Building redefined architecture, placing its services on the outside in a radical inside-out design. By the 1980s, the derelict docks underwent one of the largest urban regenerations in history, creating the skyline of Canary Wharf. This new financial district became a testament to London's ability to reinvent itself for the 21st century. Architectural marvels like the Gherkin introduced a new era of sculptural design, utilizing sustainable ventilation in a curvilinear form. Each new tower, from the Cheesegrater to the walkie-talkie, responds to the needs of a city that never stops evolving. Walking through the city today, you feel the weight of 2,000 years beneath every modern step. It is a place where layers of time coexist, a Roman wall, a medieval crypt, and a high-tech tower in a single glance. London's history is a story of incredible resilience, a city that has been burnt, bombed, and broken, only to rise stronger every time. From its foundation as Londinium to its heart in the Middle Ages, we have traveled across centuries of human endeavor. To understand London is to understand that its history is not just in the past, but in the very energy of its future. Thank you for joining us on this historical walking tour. London remains a city of stories, waiting for you to discover its next chapter. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content. I'm Eric Carey, and we're on a mission to reach a huge milestone, 1,000 subscribers. Hitting 1,000 subscribers represents our continued commitment to improve the channel and provide the best for you. Help us reach our goal by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell. Your subscription also helps us know what type of content you want to see more of. It's a shared journey. The goal is in sight, and with your help, we can reach it together. Join our growing community today. I'm committed to bringing you more value and better quality as we grow this channel to new heights. Thank you for being part of this. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell for more updates.